In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through the whole process slowly so you can follow along without pausing every second. To begin, open the Messenger app on your Android phone or iPhone. Look for the familiar blue and white chat bubble icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Then tap it once. When the app opens, you should see your list of recent conversations, along with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If Messenger asks you to sign in, make sure you are using the correct Facebook account before you move on. Now open the conversation you want to customize. Tap directly on the chat where you want the new look, whether it is a one-to-one chat or a group. The conversation view should slide in, and you will see the full message history, the text box at the bottom, and the toolbar with icons like camera and stickers. Take a second to confirm you are in the right thread so you do not end up changing the theme for the wrong person or group. Once that is ready, tap the person's name or the group name at the very top of the conversation. It appears in the header bar, usually next to their profile photo or the group picture. When you tap it, a settings screen for that conversation opens, with options like nicknames, emojis, or notifications. On this screen, any change you make will apply only to this single chat, not to all of Messenger. From there, tap the option labeled Theme. It is usually near the top of the list, sometimes right under the group photo or the custom emoji option. When you tap Theme, a new panel or full screen opens, showing a grid of different looks. You might see featured themes with artwork, then simple color choices and gradients lower on the screen. If you do not see theme at all, double-check that you tapped the name at the top of the chat, not somewhere inside the messages. Next up, choose a theme, color, or gradient from the list. Tap once on any theme tile to preview it. In many versions of Messenger, the conversation behind this panel updates instantly so you can see how the background, chat bubbles, and accents change. Some themes, like seasonal or movie-based ones, can also change the default emoji in that chat. Plain colors and gradients usually only affect bubble colors and background tones. After you decide, tap Select if you are prompted. On some phones, the theme applies as soon as you tap it, but on others you must confirm with Select at the bottom. Once you do that, the panel closes and you are taken back to the conversation, now showing the new theme on your screen. Everyone in that conversation will see this new style, and in some themes special words may trigger fun word effects that animate as you send them. You have just customized a Facebook Messenger chat by changing its theme for everyone in that conversation, including any special word effects in that style. If this helped you give your chats a fresh look, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Messenger tips.